Performer RPM and Victor CNC 6-bolt heads for Dodge Gen III Hemi engines. Assembled with premium comp cams components, same architecture as the factory cylinder head, port entry and exit CNC profiled to maximize flow, features heavy-duty stainless valves, top quality valve seals, chromoly steel retainers, and beehive springs to allow up to 675 thousandths of cam lift. The Victor CNC cylinder heads are developed for maximum performance. Full CNC combustion chambers, full CNC intake and exhaust ports, improved valve train, industry-leading 6 head bolts per cylinder to increase clamping force. These heads are only offered bare, ready to assemble with preferred components. For information on this and other new 2024 products, please visit our website.